Want to learn how to make your own custom whiskey labels using Canva and Party Printables vinyl? Then keep on watching. We'll have all the supplies linked in the description, but you'll get it from shop.prettypartyandcrafty.com. First, we have our 2x3 die cut Party Printables vinyl. If you don't want our template in Mockup, we do have blank templates for you to use with our die cut labels. But if you want it pre-formatted, just search for whiskey or look under templates and select Canva template. It comes with a PDF file, and all you have to do is click the link, and it gives you additional information too. This is what it's going to look like once you open it. First off, you have your template. If you're not going to use our sticker vinyl, I suggest you resize this to 2x3 because this is 2x3 with bleed. So that means it's 2.25 by 3.25. So this matches our die cut vinyl perfectly. Now, if you have your template open and you do not see these purple guidelines, this lets you know where you need to keep your information. Just read this quick note. So if you do not see the purple guidelines, click Shift R on your keyboard, and you're going to keep the text and important information within the guidelines. All right, so for example, if yours looks like this on your keyboard, just click Shift and the letter R. You could also go to File, Settings, and click Show Rulers and Guides. So this is just to make sure you know where the center is, where the left side is, where the right side is, and this outer border is the cut marks within our paper. So that just lets you know where everything is. So if you're ready to design, you're just going to delete this, and then we're going to start designing. What I like to do is go ahead and duplicate the first page so that I already have the original. All right, so I'm just going to hit duplicate because that's what I like to do. All right, so I'm just going to start designing. So just select your text and type over it. I'm going to put best man question. All right, I'm going to speed this part up. So I'm just personalizing by typing over the text that I already have there and adding additional text box. It says, will you be my best man? If yes, take a shot. My soon-to-be wife made me do this. To add additional graphics on the left side panel, just click Elements and search for graphics. So I searched for Decorations World Divider, and I also searched for Groomsmen. On the right side, I'm going to put a barcode. So just search for barcode, and I added a white rectangle behind it. Now, once you're done, you're going to click on Share, and then you're going to download. I downloaded as a PNG, and I made the size 1.625, and I downloaded just this page. All right, so once you're downloading that, if you want to download or make a mock-up, let me show you how to do that really quickly. So your second page is technically your mock-up, but remember we duplicated. So just go to the next page and you'll see the mock-up. So just click somewhere in the center, and we're going to bring that down to expose the frame a little bit. All right. So now we're going to upload the design that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Okay, and I'm just sample YT whiskey. I'm going to just click and drag it over, and I'm going to drag it into the mock-up and release. And I'm going to click again because remember, I kind of cropped it, and I'm going to bring it back up to the top. And now we have our mock-up. Now we're going to go back to the PDF and click on print sheet template under step number 3. I'll also link this in the description. And we're going to use this to create our print sheet. So with it open, all you have to do is click, drag, and drop your label into each frame. So again, you can find this on the PDF file if you purchase this template. I'll also link it below. Now we just have to download and print. So click Share, Download, File type is PDF print. I like to flatten, and then you're going to click on Download. Once it's downloaded, we're going to go ahead and print. So hit your print icon, and we want to make sure that we have the correct settings. So under More Settings, it may say Scale Fit to Printable Area. Do not select that. When you select that, it shrinks it down. So we want to select Default or Fit to Paper. I also want to change my paper type, so I like to use the system dialog, and you might have to click on more settings or preferences, and just to make sure the paper type, you change that to photo paper glossy or HP photo if you have an HP printer. That's the main thing. So make sure it's default and make sure the paper type is photo paper glossy. Hit OK and go ahead and print. Once you have it printed, this is what it looks like. Our vinyl is super glossy, and as you can see, the cut marks are already in the paper, so it's legit. Print, peel, and apply, saves you tons of time. Now this works with 50 milliliter mini liquor bottles. So this is the whiskey, and all we have to do is peel it and apply it. So I like to line it up at the bottom, but this is what it looks like. Super easy. And the best thing about this is it works with this brand, but it also works with other 50 milliliter liquor bottles. So this one, we have Bacardi, it works with that. We also have what is this, Casamigos, it works with that as well. So 50 milliliter bottles it works with. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like and follow for more. I hope this is helpful. Later, y'all.